Oh god, my energy is just down. So I removed the beads, and this is how it's looking right now. Love the way they just flip like this. You guys can see my facial expression already. I don't know why today. I don't feel like filming, but let's see. This time around, I bought so many dark colors. This and the water too is not that clean when you're washing your clothes, especially if you have bright colors like white colors. The water is not good for them, so that is why I bought all that. I think I mixed them. Yeah, so this is the first one. It's not that thick, like it's not that thick, it's not that light. I just love the fabric. It's so soft and so light. I just love the neck side of this. It looks like pajamas though, but yeah, I can wear it even, especially when it's cold. From now to next month, we will enter Amatan. Deadly, to be deadly in this forest. I think it's straight, okay, it's just like this. It is. And I love the fact that it is oversized. This is from Shein. Yeah. This one I've already worn it. On the neck side, I cut it myself because I don't like the neck side. It was kind of some wavy, but I didn't show you guys before cutting it, so this is how it is. I just like it when I wear it, it will fall like it will fall one side and say, oh my god, no storage space. I don't know if I'll continue. And this is blue, like to just fall on me. I love that the inside is so small and it's kind of stretch a bit. This is like a see-through. If you are wearing it, unless you get something underneath your boots. Get it? I love the style. I don't know how I'm gonna style this. I don't have flat stomach, so I need to wear something underneath. Scarf, guys. Those color is a color for me. Like seriously. I can use this for throw or like to cover when it's cold, like something. I can use this for so many things, seriously. Yeah, I go with another in kitchen. I get in kitchen so cute. Yeah, yeah, everything is in this garden. We have corn and followed it only come there. You see the cassava leaf. So I wanted to pluck some of this one after preparing the monkey soup. So left a little bit. So cook it with cassava leaf. Now the monkey is in the pot. Now I started in some maggi inside. We are also cooking cassava leaf today.
Now that big matter or those matter pencils with a bit faster.
Like this. Like how they do so normal. And pound that. Maybe don't beat and put the fufu. Then put the plant. Then boil the plant back. Then make her. Yeah, I make her so you the turner. So I make her. One person the bitter, the other person the turner. The other person the turner. Say, wait, I will. Yeah. This is our garden. But since she will be leaving tomorrow, so the garden is all mine now. See the corn. Are you can I taste this one now? Oh, sorry.
You're not a put your
Eh? Wait, so this start for me, one?
No, for you.
Hey, I'm fixing that for told. I thought it's for me and her. It said for me alone, guys. Have you guys seen the amount of food? This I can even eat. If I didn't tell her so, eh? I they eat three no more. The balance I put in the fridge. The sand clean. Oh.
Take me home where I belong. Oh, forest, forest.
Hey, sauce.
Little creatures peek and stare.
Hawa will be leaving us tomorrow, so I decided to sew this bag and the headband as a gift for her. I've been sewing this bag for the past 2 days now. I need to sew the strap very well so it will not come out because this is what she'll be using whilst traveling. Hawa just done cooking the cassava leaf, so we are about to eat now. Talk to you guys later. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.